Hello, everyone. Imagine your house saying, "Oh, it's you? Come in." That's exactly what this project does. Welcome to Kalpa Builds.
Hello, this is my smart home security and automation system that I built using two ESP32 microcontrollers. You can see on the screen the dashboard that you can control and monitor all your home appliances, and you can control temperature, and you can monitor your security in the home. Let's get started. One of the key features in this system is controlling your temperature. You can turn on the fan manually and automatically, and when it's in automatic mode, you can turn on the fan and turn off the fan based on the room temperature and the threshold temperature. When you set it up to 18 degrees, as you can see, it'll turn on the fan since the room temperature is 18.8 degrees, and when you set it back to 19 degrees, and it'll turn off the fan. When we move to lighting on my system, there are two ways to turn on the light: manual and automatic, same as the fan. You can see how does I turn on the light manually, and when you switch it to automatic mode, there you can turn on the light, but it will turn off as there is light in the room. So to simulate darkness, I'm covering the LDR sensors which turn on the light, and when I cover it back again, it will turn on the light. So when you can save the energy turning off unnecessary bulbs. Another security feature in this system is you can unlock the door from a dedicated virtual button on the system. As you can see, it'll unlock the door and it'll give you the notifications at the same time critical notifications. As you can see, now I'm getting notifications on the door lock and the door unlock status. That's a cool feature that we have in our system. The other feature that is integrated with the system is, as you can see, you can access the live door cam footage, and you can monitor your real time surrounding around your house, or mainly your door area, so you can understand the situation and who is there waiting. And if you are a family member who doesn't have any of the access, you have a way to get in the house by using the number pad. And there is an added layer of security feature just in case if the code is breached, you can change the code right away on the app. So now it's 7013, and you send the code and it'll update the code on the number pad. Now let's type 7013 on the number pad and it'll unlock the door. Should unlock the door. Yeah, it unlocked the door. Let's try a different password and see what will happen. So the original is 7013, and I'm going to enter 1234. Of course, it gave you a wrong password attempt, and try again on the LCD display, and at the same time it'll send a notification to the owner that there is wrong password attempt. If you try that again and again, it'll send the owner or time critical notifications, then there is an intruder. And for the reference, I have uploaded a sample of time critical notifications that I've got on my app when I was testing the system, with all the timestamps about the security status of the house, when the door locked and the door unlocked, and the wrong password attempts and everything. You can check up to 1 month. The most coolest and advanced feature of this security system is the facial recognition door unlocking, and it was the most challenging part of the project to build. Now let's take a closer look. When an enrolled face is detected, it will unlock the door for the person by welcoming the person by their name. As you can see on the screen, it will show you your name on the screen if you are already enrolled in the system. At the same time, if an unrecognized or unenrolled face is detected, it will show the person who is trying to enter the house as unauthorized person on the display. This is the most coolest feature. Now let's talk about the coding part of the project. All the components in the systems are controlled by a program running on the two ESP32 boards. The code processes all the facial recognition data, reads the keypad input, and the control relays that operate the door lock and home devices. The ESP32 CAM module is responsible for the facial recognition logic and handling the ESP32 server, and ESP32 board is handling the keypad inputs, logic inputs and outputs, and everything. The code basically connects all the part of the systems together and allow them to work as one smart home security system. And this is a quick walkthrough on ESP32 rover source code, which handles most of the keypad inputs, buzzers, interrupts, timers, and um, ESP now communication in between two to ESP32 boards. This is my first video, and I'll be sharing many more electronics projects, electronics repairs, and step-by-step tutorials from basic to advanced. And if you'd like to see a full tutorial on this project, let me know in the comments. And stay tuned for more cool engineering builds. And again, thank you for watching.